In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a web page to your home screen on Google Chrome, a feature that can be incredibly handy for quick access to your most used sites. We'll be taking a journey through a few simple steps to set your preferred page as the default when you open Chrome. Whether you're looking to have your email, a news site, or any other web page readily available when you start your browser, this guide has got you covered. Let's begin by opening Google Chrome on your computer. Make sure you're logged in and your browser is up to date to ensure you have the latest features and security updates. Once you have Chrome open, direct your attention to the top right corner of the window where you'll see an icon that looks like 3 vertical dots. This is commonly referred to as the menu icon. Go ahead and click on it to reveal a drop-down menu. In this drop-down, you'll find a variety of options, but for this task, we'll be focusing on the Settings option. Click on Settings, and it will take you to a new page that allows you to configure a wide range of browser preferences. On the Settings page, look at the left sidebar, where you'll see several categories listed. Search through these options until you find one labeled On Startup. Click on it, and it will bring up a section with a few different options regarding what Chrome should do when it starts up. Now, you'll want to select Open a specific page or set of pages. This choice allows you to designate which pages open automatically each time Chrome launches. With that selected, you'll see an option to Add a new page. Click on that, and a prompt will appear asking for the URL of the page you'd like to set as your startup page. Here you can enter the website address of your choice. For instance, if you want to ensure that Google's homepage is the first thing you see, you would type in https://www.google.com. After inputting the desired URL, click the Add button. This action saves your selection and sets the specified site as your startup page. Once you've done that, you can go ahead and close the Settings tab. From here on out, every time you fire up Google Chrome, it will automatically take you straight to the web page you've just specified. This feature is a time saver that brings efficiency to your browsing habits by allowing you to jump directly into your chosen web environment with ease. And that's all there is to it. You've just customized your Chrome startup experience to better suit your needs. Thanks for watching, and don't hesitate to explore more ways to tailor your Chrome browser to your personal browsing habits.